guys. You gotta accept that I'm live. Yeah.
So we're out here. Steering wheel is currently locked up. I can't move it anywhere. So yeah, we're gonna look up a video right now. All right, we got the old stormtrooper running. About to exit this service road without getting caught. All right, let's do it.
Yeah, be fast, be fast.
Alright, so we got this right here. I don't ever do this, but I like Butterfinger. There we go.
Yep.
Alright, I'm going to work out now. Pulled something. You always gotta stretch. We're out here in Cambodia, and they have this little lake, and they drained it. So we're gonna go explore it. We're gonna climb the tower. It's actually really sketchy because it's slippery. Oh my lord! You kidding me? Oh. I don't know if I trust this, dude. I mean, dude, it's pretty muddy.
You know you don't have to, you don't want to, right?
I want to, though. It's a thing. Dude, there's a fishing pole. You want a fishing pole? It's brand new. Dude, this is scary. God, dude. My legs have mud all over them. Yeah. We could have. It's a little too late, but yeah, we could have. Dude, you know what sucks is I have to walk back now. I didn't think about that. You just want to call a helicopter? I don't really feel like walking back. Dude, this is pretty tall. Yeah.
right here at the trails. Painted that when I was about 10. Right here at the trails right now, we're gonna rip it up, as the youngins been saying. We're gonna hit some tables. We're gonna get a little rowdy, all right? Let's get it. Boy. Alright, boy, here it is. Alright, now I got to plan my escape. It's creek bed. I'm going to drop in, I'm going to hit it, I'm going to rail burn, I'm going to get enough speed as I can, I'm going to fly out and do a double can-can. Damn it, fuck this thing solid. There's more. There's more of them. I hear them. They're migrating. We gotta go. We gotta go. Right here's it's a 450R, pushing about 20 horsepower in the motor. I upgrade the gas cap, it gives me a little bit more power and rate reduction when I'm flying through the midair. And the paint job on here is a special one of a one paint job, never before seen anywhere else. The reason I chose pink is because when you're going through the dirt and you get dirt on it, it just wash right off and it's pink. Right here we got sparkles on it. If you look in the sun, it sparkles. That right there's for astronauts, so they know when I'm flying through the air they can see me. Right here I got these special stickers made. Those are cherries. I got purple and pink on there to look pretty good. Right here's Mr. Fluffles. Here's my duck. He's you know, I get lonely sometimes, so he's there with me when I want to ride. You know, it's nothing special, but it's a pretty good bike. Right here we got these screws, and then you come on this side. Right here we got these sprocket screws, but I'm actually missing a couple. You know, so I ain't pretty good. Right here you can see my brake setup. Right here is nothing, because I don't need back brakes, I only need front brakes. Hey man, this thing rips. We're about to go take your first spin.